Yes, student. I am starting today beyond the studied topic linear inequality. So, the last concept of linear inequality is if x minus a into x minus b is less than 0, where a is less than b, then x lies between a and b. And if x minus a into x minus b is greater than 0, where a is less than b, then x is less than a or x is greater than b. And if x square minus a square less than 0, then it implies that x lies between minus a to a. Now, let's come to some examples. Let x minus 1, x minus 2 is less than 0. Here, if we compare this inequality from this x minus a, x minus b less than 0, a is less than b, then x lies between a to b. So here a becomes 1 and b becomes 2. So it implies that x lies between a to b. It's your solution. Now another example, if let x minus 1, x minus 2 is greater than 0. So use this inequality concept. So it implies that x less than 1 or x greater than 2. Now I am taking another example. Let x square minus 4 is less than 0. Then x lies between minus a to a. So here 4 means 2 is square. So let's put in this form x square minus a square is less than 0. So it becomes x square minus 2 square is less than 0. After comparing this inequality, a becomes 2. So x lies between minus a to a. It's the basic application of these inequality concept. Now I'm taking some question. Yes. Your question is, given that x is integer, I means z, set of integers. I and z both are same. I means collection of integer and also z is collection of integer. So solve the inequation and graph the solution on the number line. Now here first inequality is x greater than or is equal to minus 3 and x is integers. X are integers. So x greater than or is equal to minus 3 means minimum value of x is minus 3. Minimum value of integral value of x is minus 3. So x greater than or is equal to minus 3, but it's the minimum value. So maximum value up to infinity, to the neighborhood of infinity. So x greater than or is equal to minus 3 and less than infinity means it is collection of all integrals greater or equal to minus 3. So if you want to write in set form, then you can write as minus 3 greater integral greater minus 3 is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Its solution set of this inequality x greater than or is equal to minus 3. Now if you want to represent it on a number line, so first you draw a number line. Later I am taking here the midpoint of number line, that is 0. let this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. And write to the 0. Let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So all the integers greater than or is equal to -3. So first is -3, then greater -3 is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So it's a representation on number line of this solution set. So it is your graph. Now I am coming on second inequality. Second inequality. Yes. Second inequality is x less than 4, and you know x belongs to integer. So x less than 4 means the maximum value of x is up to the 4, not is equal to 4, because x is strictly less than 4. So the largest integer which is less than 4 is 3, then 2. The largest integer which is just less than is 3, and then less than 4 is also 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, and so on. So it's the solution. It is the solution of this inequality x less than 4 and x is integer. And in the set form, you can write it 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, and so on. It is your solution set. Now, if you want to represent on it a number line, so first you should draw a number line, and let this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and then left to the 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. So represent these integer on the number line. So 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. So it's your graph of the second inequality, x less than 4. Now I am coming on third question. X greater than -3 and x less than 5, and x is integer. So integer that is greater than -3 and less than 5 means x becomes greater than -3, not is equal to -3. So greater than -3 integer is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you cannot take 5 because integer less than 5, so up to the 4. It's your solution set. If you want to represent on the number line, so this is 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's your graph. Makes the dark at 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's your graph. Now I am coming on the last question, 6th number. X greater than or is equal to -3 and less than or is equal to 3, and x is integer. So all the integers greater than or is equal to -3 means the least integer becomes -3, and less than or is equal to 3, so the greatest integer is 3, and all the integers lies between least and greatest, that will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now x becomes, because here inequality is included with inequality, so -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and also 3, because 3 included. So if you want to represent on number line, so 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, and darken these points, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It's your solution graph. Next question. Yes, it's your question. Solve the given inequation and graph the solution on the number line.